Hello guys, this is my fourth project Airbnb analysis using Streamlit, MongoDB, PowerBi. Airbnb is an American company operating an online marketplace for short-term and long-term homestays and experiences. Go to the Python file. This is the file, the data retrieved from MongoDB and make the connection and the data frame of the data and doing data pre-processing, exploratory data analysis with some of the visuals. Go to the Python file. It is a file for Streamlit. They execute the file. Enter Streamlit run. Enter the file path. Then enter. Streamlit page is running. And this is my Streamlit page. Home page contains domain technology is used overview. Go to overview. Here is the data frame I cleaned from the Python file. Go to explore tab. This contains price analysis and availability analysis. Select the price by slider. Here is the sum of the insights from the bar graph and also geo map availability analysis. Private room, shared room, and entire room prices. And to the select the country page. The option from the file. Yeah, selected China only. It shows the China location. Availability room types, shared room, private room, entire room, and choose some of the other countries: Spain, Canada. These insights are shown, and go to conclusion. These are the insights from I get from the data and the project. Airbnb is a specialist for data visualization. I used Power BI for the visualization. This is a dashboard for our Airbnb analysis. Has a total number of hotels, sum of price, hotel listing count, and count of cancellation policies, count of bathrooms, count the review score, is the minimum night and maximum night. This is a main geo map, and I select minimum nights number 1. The data are changed and select maximum number of nights to 6. That is the data are there shown, the total number of hotels and the locating cities or countries, and the question answer page. Select any of the questions. What is the total by the bed type? There is a red bed is shown, and deselect minimum and maximum nights. There is shown in red bed, pull out, futon, couch, airbed. There is the data, and select one more question. Top countries by total number of hotels. United States contains 375 hotels, and lastly China contains 8 hotels. I choose Brazil. total number of hotels available, sum of price and hotel listing counts, and minimum nights and the maximum night. Minimum nights there are 3. The Brace Hill. Thank you guys.